Ladies and gentlemen, dear trader friends, welcome to an educational video. I wanted to show you something very interesting. And the reason why I'm actually not using candlesticks, because you see me using Heikin Ashi smoothed and Heikin Ashi candles for like almost a decade now. And there's a lot of reasons, not only the main reasons are that we can see trends and we can see reversals way better, in my opinion, with Heikin Ashi smoothed candles or Heikin Ashi candles than with candlesticks. But at the same time, it filters out the noise. And then there's also a big advantage that I want to talk about with you in this video. And this, what I mean with that is a lot of people use candlesticks in order to also interpret the bias, right? Which direction will we go? Now, if we are looking at the euro US dollar, especially today, I would like to take this example. How many times actually the bias changed, especially if you are like a beginner trader and you are learning all this stuff? You are learning candlesticks formations. What do candlesticks mean? And a lot of times you will stumble upon engulfings, right? Engulfing candles, meaning if a candle engulfs, it usually gives you the direction to, like, if there's a green candle like this and then there is an engulfing, like a bigger candle than the previous one, it means it will go into this direction further, right? So let's talk about this, because I would like to especially start with this candle over here and show you how many times actually you might have a change of bias in one given day, because this happened actually in one day. So we have this red candle over here. I want to start with this candle. And first of all, we have this high, right? We have this high. This is the first. And we have this red candle. Then we have this engulfing. You might say this is an engulfing when it comes to this candle. So it kind of broke out of that range. For me, that wouldn't be like a clear sign to prepare for buys, but maybe some traders already would do. Why? Because if we are looking at the bigger picture, this is actually the lowest low that we have, this where the 3 level is, the yellow 3. If I zoom in, then I see the lower low, and then I see a higher high, and then I see a higher low. So this is the lower low, this is the higher low. So this is the first indication of we might see a reversal coming, right? Because now if we violate that high and we get another higher high, then finally we got the change of character, right? So we are looking for that. But let's just look at the data from here, okay? So I'll zoom in, and again, this candle. So this is the higher before, this is the high before, and we have this red candle engulfed by this. So some people might be already preparing for buys because you have this higher low here, right? The higher high, then the higher low. So you might think, okay, we are shifting. So you might prepare for some buys. Maybe even some people put in some buys here because they don't want to be late in the move. They don't want to maybe work with a buy stop or something, or trade with a breakout. They want to maybe, like they anticipated maybe because of this move, because of this engulfing. But what happens with the next candle is, why you think this is like more on we are on the bullish side. Now we got like a triple engulfing to the downside, actually violating our higher low that has been forming. So this might be a signal for you. Oh, wait a minute. We are very bearish actually still. So you go from, oh, we are actually bullish. Like I can see that we are bullish. Oh no, we are very, very bearish, to then having 3 consecutive green candles engulfing this bearish big candle again. where you think, oh my God, if you learned the candlestick formation, this is like a triple star. It means this is a big reversal. So now you think, oh, we are actually, yes, indeed, we are bullish, although we have violated this low here, this higher low that has been forming. So you go from, oh, I think we are bullish to I think we are bearish to, oh no, indeed we are bullish. You know what I mean? And then while we go here, we still, now we broke this high, but we still have this valid higher high. And this actually needs to be broken for the change of character. So I'm going to delete this now. So this needs to be broken. And then you see, okay, we broke out of here, but we still have this not broken. So we need to break this. And we have this bullish signal. And you think, yes, yes, we are very bullish. We will easily break that. And what happens with the next candle is we actually shoot up like crazy. And as you might think, oh my God, we are so bullish. And as price moved up here, the candle didn't close yet. Then we get rejected completely and pull back down inside of this range again. And then we actually engulf this green candle bearish again, where you might be thinking, oh my God, what is happening? I thought we are bullish. Are we actually going bearish again? Like, is this just a fake out? Are we going south? So you might go from, oh, I think we are bullish to I think we are bearish to I think we are bullish to I think we are bearish. And then again, you got a double engulfing to the upside again, finally signalizing like this is very clear. Yes, we are bullish indeed. But this is like crazy to me, right? Like, don't you think this is confusing? I think this is very confusing for a lot of um beginner traders. Like, if you are just looking at the candlesticks, this is so unclear of where we are going. Now, if I'm using Heikin Ashi smooth 2.0 candles, then I actually don't have this noise. And I really, especially if I look at the 4 hourly, it will not show this noise and this back and forth. And you will not be like, oh, 4 hours pass, we are bullish. Oh, we are bearish. Oh, we are bullish. Oh no, we are bearish. Oh, we are bullish. Like, this is crazy. Like, you change 5 times the direction in one day. Like, this is super confusing and is not clear at all to me. The only real signal that we have gotten, and that's why patience is key. If you are still using candlesticks and you are not using Heikin Ketsui, our strategy, then, well, you need to wait for those breaks and changes of character. So you are actually having the first signal to go bullish with this candle over here. And now you might wait for some pullback and then position yourself for some buys on the euro US dollar. But before that, there's so much back and forth. It's amazing how many times they manipulate the markets to make you think the other way. And I don't think that's very beginner friendly. That's why it's a long, long way for normal people to understand what actually those candles say. That's why I'd like to stick to Heikin Ashi. And there you go. If you are looking at Heikin Ashi, you see we only got white to the upside. So since we made this low, then we started to make only candles to the upside. Not like you are very clear here that we are bullish. So this is where you are very clear. Like, every 4 hours, you still think, okay, yeah, we are going higher. Like, you don't think here we are going lower. Whereas you thought 5 times, you might think there is a change of direction if you are using candlesticks. So this is the big difference when it comes to Heikin Ashi and candlesticks. I hope this video, like, you have learned something, and I see you on the next one. I wish you guys happy trading. Bye.